Hello. Um, I thought I'd do a quick video on radios that you would not think of having for an emergency if you couldn't actually purchase an emergency radio. So, one of these is an older model, and one of these is a newer model. And these are two different radios. Uh, they both have AM and FM on them, but this one has the weather band on it. And if you were in a real tight emergency situation and couldn't get access to um, emergency radios like solar crank radios, your best option would be something like this. I couldn't find a weather radio that had a 9-volt battery. Well, I could, but they're a little bit expensive, and these 9 volts are not popular. They are not very popular. If you're in emergency and you go to a store and like everybody has bought up AA and AAA batteries, what's left is going to be 9 volt, because 9 volt is not very popular. But long time ago, they were. They used to power weather radios and AM FM radios. This one, I think, came out in the early 1990s, and it runs off a 9-volt battery, and it is a AM FM radio. I'll fix it later. Oh no, it's coming out. Okay, I'll put the back on it later. It's got AM and FM on it, and I've used this radio. It's pretty good. I've took it on walks with me, and so it's good. The next radio is an AM and FM, and it has weather band on it. But the thing I don't like about it is that it runs off AA batteries. But the batteries that have been in there since I got this radio. A friend gave me both these radios, and I've had these radios for a few weeks now, and the batteries are still good. So, but I mostly just use this one for weather band, since, you know, trying to save on my AA energy. And this one I use for AM and FM. The 9-volt batteries are not very popular, so they'll be easier to find than AA and AAA batteries. Okay, I thought I'd, make that video. Okay, bye.